faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. A very good morning to one and all present here as we assemble here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. Let us embark upon this moment by chanting a prayer for our country. May I call upon Sanghamitra teacher for the prayer?
O God, protect our country and bless those who govern us. Please bless our country with good environment. Infuse divine wisdom in each and every resident of India, so that peace and harmony prevails.
After that auspicious start, let us set the tone for the day of upcoming events. Each year, 26th January is a day on which every Indian heart fills with patriotic fervor and immense love for the motherland. There are many significant memories that arch us on this day. It was on this day that Indian tricolor was unfurled in 1930 at Lahore by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the declaration of an independent national congress was made.
26 January 1950 was also the day when Indian Republic and Constitution came to force. It was on this day in 1965 when Hindi was made official language of India. Republic Day is celebrated every year with much enthusiasm all over the country, and to mark the importance of this occasion, a grand parade is held in capital New Delhi from Raisina Hills near Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath past India Gate.
We at St. Raffles believe in reinforcing each student the pride in our country, in our rich heritage, values and ideas in form of these celebrations. You, students, have the youth power to make or break a country. History has always been shaped by the power of youth. May I call upon one such young mind from our school, Ms. Nishtha Tare from 6th B, to share her ideas on Republic Day. Nishtha Tare.
A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. A very good morning to respected Sister Rose, all sisters, teachers and my dear friends. Today, India is celebrating its 72nd Republic Day. On this day, the Constitution of India was adopted in 1950 after the independence on 15 August 1947. The Constitution of India was laid down by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In India, Republic Day is not less than a festival. The whole country, regardless of their caste, age or religion, celebrates it with joy. On this day, the entire country tries to convey that India is a nation where unity in diversity is celebrated. On this day, we should pray to God that our country keeps a step ahead to development each coming year. We should celebrate Republic Day with great hope and joy. We, as the citizens of India, should try to empower India by respecting all the people of the country, considering them as our brothers and sisters, and also follow all the laws of the country. We should feel proud as a citizen of India, which has a very rich cultural heritage. I would like to end my words with a poem. Our land is of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers and sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and are source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nishtha, for your thought-provoking ideas. To quote Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Gratifying the beauty of this atmosphere filled with purity, we fold our hands in gratitude. To grace this occasion, we have teachers presenting a song filled with national pride.
देश को आगे बढ़ाना है, कोरोना को हराना है। मास्क पहनकर हमको तो देश को आगे बढ़ाना है, कोरोना को हराना है। अपने योगदान के लिए, देश के प्रगति विकास के लिए, अपने योगदान के लिए स्वच्छता अपनाना है, स्वच्छता अपनाना है। हाथों को साफ धोके हमें कोरोना को हराना है, कोरोना को हराना है। हिम्मत अपनी हमें बढ़ाना है, अपने कर्तव्यों को निभाना है। हिम्मत अपनी हमें बढ़ाना है, अपने कर्तव्यों को निभाना है। स्वच्छता अपनाना है, स्वच्छता अपनाना है। 2 गज दूरी रख के हमें कोरोना को हराना है, कोरोना को हराना है। देश आगे बढ़ेगा, उन्नति को प्राप्त करेगा। देश आगे बढ़ेगा, उन्नति को प्राप्त करेगा, उन्नति को प्राप्त करेगा, उन्नति को प्राप्त करेगा। संस्कारों को दोहराना है, संस्कारों को दोहराना है। हाथ किसी से मिलाना नहीं, हाथ जोड़कर दर्शाना है। कोरोना को हराना है, कोरोना को हराना है। देश के हित के लिए, समाज के हित के लिए, दुनिया के हित के लिए कदम ये उठाना है। अपनी जिम्मेदारी को हमें स्वयं निभाना है, कोरोना को हराना है, कोरोना को हराना।
थैंक यू डियर टीचर्स। इंडीड कोरोना को हमें हराना है और हम हरा के रहेंगे। नो प्रोग्राम इज कंप्लीट विदाउट अ डांस प्रेजेंटेशन। May I now call upon Samriddhi Jaiswal from class 4th C and Icha Manvatkar from class 5th A to exhibit the India's pride and glory in rich cultural heritage.
जयतु जयतु भारतम, जयतु जयतु भारतम। विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया
जागा हुआ भारत है ये। विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया, विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है।
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है।
विश्व प्रेम चादर ढेके शुद्धे शूरे गानाए। സിന്തമിഴ്വാനിൽ പുതിയ പുൽവിടിയിൽ ആയിരമാധവൻ തോന്നിടുതേ.
विश्वप्रेमाची ओढून चादर खऱ्या सुरांनी गाता है.
एक सुरीली आशा लईने सूरज नवो उगाडे छे. जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये. जय तो भारत, जय तो भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं भारतं. जय तो भारतं. हो जाएंगे नई राहें, लिख देंगे आशाएं. श्वास मेरी प्राण मेरा तू ही मेरा मन.
बस तू ही है प्रेम मेरा पहला और प्रथम.
कर्मधात्री जन्मधात्री कै
माणुवणुधार कोसे अंकितमौता.
सुर अनेक स्वर अनेक एक है धड़कन.
शब्द सारे भाव सारे हैं तुझे अर्पण.
सर्व तेरे
कोई तड़कन
शब्द मोर श्रद्धा मोर तू मते अर्पण. प्रेम का मृदंग रंग एकता का तू.
युगों युगों से एक छंद साधना का तू.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣ ಸೇರಿ ಮಿಡಿವ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನಾದನಿ. ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಶಿಖರ ನಾದನಿ. तेरी शान तू महान ज्योति तू किरण.
पवन पवन गगन गगन करे तुझे नमन.
ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಮಾಡು ನೀ ಕೆಡ ಬಿಡತ್ತು ನೀ.
लिवार भूमि निंदे मुल्ले कुंभिडुन्निदा.
जागल हमार भारत है एक. जागे उठो भारत सजो. हरि जागृत हम भारत. कारी इंडिया बाजार बिठो. जय तो भारत, जय तो भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं भारतं. जय तो भारतं. नई नई बात लिखने सा आशाएं. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय अंधकार को जीते मन. यही प्रार्थना करता भारत विजयी भव मानव जीवन. विश्व प्रेम की ओर चढ़, विश्व प्रेम की ओर चढ़रिया. जय तो भारत, जय तो भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं. जय तो भारत. खोलेंगे
नई राहें लिख देंगे
आशाएं. जय तो भारत.
At the very outset, I wish each one of you a happy Republic Day. Dear students, teachers, and all dear parents, when our nation celebrates our 72nd Republic Day today, let us pledge to take part in nation building in our own unique ways. It is highly inevitable for all of us to uphold our rich traditions and cherish our culture. Living in a varied and diverse culture and tradition, we learn to respect everyone as they are. Dear students, you are our nation's ambassadors who can spread the richness of our values. To make this possible, you need to take extra efforts to understand our values and culture well. I am sure that your parents and teachers give you ample opportunities in this regard. Our dream is that each one of you growing up and developing as integrated personalities and becoming true global citizens who will give in return and contribute immensely towards its further development and also for the world peace at large. We indeed need to salute to all our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for us. Dear students, you are the citizens of India. It's your prime duty to excel in studies, be it to be a help to your home people or to someone else. Have positive attitudes, keep the mental hygiene, and develop your own habits which can bring a lot of energy and synergy to yourself and to those around you. Also develop reading habits, giving vent to your knowledge, when to create something new and innovative, revitalize your energy. At this juncture, the pandemic has challenged us in every way. We all of us are aware of the social evil creeping into our country. Let's not allow it. Instead, let's pray for the Spirit to guard and guide our country from every evil force. Let's also stand with a good cause, praying for all our farmers who are fighting for their rights. Due respect for all women beginning from our homes. Also, speedy recovery to all the COVID-19 patients. And there are many who look for our assistance. Let's directly or indirectly do what we can. Wishing you all once again a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.